So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HP local machine, then you want to expand software, then you want to expand policies. Now you want to find the Google folder. If you don't have it, then you want to right click on policies and then click on new and then click on key. You want to call this Google. Spell it the same way how I did with the same capitals and lowercase and then click on enter. And now you want to expand Google and you want to click on the Chrome folder. If you don't see it, then you want to right click on Google and then click on new and then click on key. You want to call this Chrome and then click on enter. Again, spell it the same way how I did, same capitals and same lowercase. And now you want to click on the Chrome folder. Again, you can follow everything I did up here. Now once you're in the Chrome folder, you want to right click on the white space and then click on new and then click on dword 32-bit value. And you want to call this Incognito Mode Availability. Again, spell it the same way how I did, same capitals and same lowercase, and then click on enter. And then once you have this, you want to double click on Incognito Mode Availability, double click on this. And now in this box right here, you want to type in the number 1. So delete 0, type in the number 1. Make sure you have number 1 in this box, and then click on OK. And then once you do all of that, you just want to restart your computer, and then you should be good to go.